Ash podcast is good to be on.
खड़ूस. Do you think you're खड़ूस?
I don't think so. I think I'm
कोई ना. But आप हिंदी में आसानी से बोल ले तो
बिल्कुल
वाइब होती है.
very घरेलू type of
Gen Zs and your generation. In terms of mindset, like millennials or Gen Z.
life is not easy.
सलमान खान अच्छा लगता है आपको?
He's a very nice guy. I used to like. I mean, not among his recent films. इतनी नहीं.
How you feeling being on a very cash podcast?
A cash podcast is good to be on because frankly it's like talking to my second born who's Gen Z and sometimes I feel I'm from another era really but it's interesting because one has sort of met up with the old serious kind of people and then one has kids and one has to figure out what this cash generation really thinks about.
I don't know.
Everybody thinks I'm very khadus.
खड़ूस? Do you think you're खड़ूस?
I don't think so. I think I'm the nicest person in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to get a few elephants out of the room today.
Which ones?
We
I
need to-
see a lot of tigers, panthers and lions. I don't see too many elephants.
कोई ना. But आप हिंदी में आसानी से बोल ले तो
बिल्कुल. क्या मैं अंग्रेज हूँ?
नहीं, ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
मैं बिहार में पली बड़ी हूँ.
Oh really? Go to drinkers, बकाड़ी है.
Diet Coke
Diet Coke.
और a Prosecco.
आप कभी पॉलिटिशियंस के साथ पार्टी करते हो क्या? क्या वाइब होती है?
Very घरेलू type of
Vibes.
घरेलू as in हाँ relax, chill, talk about anything, let your guard down, chit chat, discuss also, but nothing leaves the room, and that kind of trust. Those trust equations बहुत कम लोगों के साथ हो सकते हैं.
Millennials are somewhat like in between Gen Zs and your generation in terms of mindset. Like millennials और Gen Zs के बीच mental अंतर बहुत ज़्यादा है. But Gen Zs में ना या तो आप extremely type A हो, ambitious, hardworking, disciplined, सब कुछ talented, या तो आप एकदम वेले हो.
I have a millennial and a Gen Z at home. आज के बाद मुझे और डर लगना शुरू हो गया.
फर्क दिखता है आपको?
हाँ बहुत.
जैसे कि
वैल्यू सिस्टम से बहुत फर्क है. The millennial knows that life is not easy. One has to work and one has to move forward because that is the place where we have come from. I mean, my parents are products of partition. तो सब कुछ छोड़ के यहाँ आए, फिर वो हमें यहाँ तक लाए. हमारी एजुकेशन हुई, whatever उन्होंने जो हमें स्टार्ट दिया, अब हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे. अब हमारा मिलेनियल ये सोचता है कि हम पेरेंट्स ने ये स्टार्ट दिया है तो मुझे इसके ऊपर बिल्ड करना है.
सलमान खान अच्छा लगता है आपको?
He's a very nice guy. I used to like, I mean, not among his recent films itni nahi, but the last film that I really liked was that Bhaijan wala.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
Bajrangi Bhaijan. And of course all his older films. I mean that Khamoshi. बाहों के दरमियां दो प्यार मिल रहे जानू मैं. So I mean, and हम आपके हैं कौन and all of that.
Huh? I think you hear a lot of Gen Z girls saying this, that he had the best face card that India's ever seen. As in young Salman.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Oye hoye, what a face. Have you seen that one song? पहली बार जब प्यार किसी से होता है. Need to see his dressing in that. What a well dressed guy.
Yeah.
What a so much style.
I've liked that era of films more. Bajrangi Bhaijan was good. I even liked that one. Baby ko that one was also nice. His recent ek do films I've not liked.
What did you like about Chamkila?
Just the whole story. I love this rags to riches, this underdog coming out and making it big. It just enthuses me so much. कि और फिर उसके बाद वो मर जाता है, मुझे very sad, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता.
समय अर्नब and we'll all sit ऐसे randomly, have
It's
some
like
chai.
it's like that Modi versus Rahul Gandhi debate which will never happen.
Think it will actually never happen. It should happen.
Not outside the park.
In Khan Market?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's one in Vasant Vihar.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Best restaurant in Delhi. Okay.
हमें
Looking.
घर में भी बना सकते
Oh really? You cook?
हाँ.
What do you like cooking?
I make this is a hand me down from my mother. वो अमृतसरी छोले and
Oh
कुलचे.
wow.
I make that. I make घर वाला butter chicken also sometimes, which is थोड़ा fat पे. Okay, the search begins now.
Put it out there.
Yes.
Announce it on news. Keep that YouTuber.
I'm now going to meet friends of my sons much more often so that I vibe in that age group.
You can like scan them. Will she be?
Are you looking for an older girl or you're deal with a situation like that?
But you'd give me the khitab of the most eligible Indian guy I know.
Most eligible.
One of them. One of them.
For sure.
That's all I need.
पैसे तेरे पास बड़े हैं बेटा. Just make sure that the girl only doesn't go for the money. हाँ.
You know that's a real kind
Worry?
of. It's a challenge with a lot of. I won't say men, both men and women in my surroundings.
वैसे हमारा जमाना सेफ था. इतने पैसे नहीं होते थे किसी को.